Hi everyone. Right, you know I bought these at the range the other day. They are gorgeous as they are. But I'm going to change mine because mine's going to be put in my living room, so it's got to be a different colour. And the colour I've chosen is the sand colour because I do like this. And it's just an acrylic paint. You just dab it on. I wouldn't brush it, just dab. Now, obviously, if you're going to put it on your Christmas tree and you're going to do it like this, then you need to make sure you do both sides. But I'm going to do two of these. I'm going to do one facing one way and one the other. Because I want these on my curtains. You know the tie backs? Well, this is what's going on the curtain. On the tie back. That section in there I would just brush. Like that. And of course I'm going to have to hold it at some point. So I'll just put the first coat. I mean, I can go over any little imperfections if there is any. But I'm going to be varnishing it anyway so it lasts. Oopsie daisy. Oh, didn't get that right. I just have to make sure that I've got the majority of it done so that when it's on the tie back you won't actually see it. You know, any of the gold. I might just paint it all actually. But I wasn't too sure about doing it because I do want it to stick to what I'm going to put it on. So what I'm going to do is just let that dry, but that's how you do them. They are quick, they are easy, and you know, it doesn't matter that it's glittered. So what? Paint it. Right, so I'm going to wait for that to dry now before I do any more to it. But even like that it looks good, doesn't it? But I'm going to shade mine. I've got the brown and I'm going to shade mine. And I'm not doing it with the inks because they do come off. I'm going to shade mine using paint. So that's it. I'll be back when I've finished. Right, I'm back. I'm just... oh, bum. I've dropped my paintbrush. Could you have washed it first? Right, what I'm going to do now... I've dried that off and you can still see bits of glitter through it, but I'm not fussed about that. What I am going to do is make sure I've got all the edges done. Because I don't want any of that showing. Just want to make sure it's all covered. All the little tiny nooks and crannies. There's a lot down here that's showing. Let's have a look and see. Well, I'm going to do it all. I might say, because it really does need Oops. A good coat. But a lot of people don't think about, you know, painting over glittered things. But yeah, you can do that. No problem. No problem at all. Now, like I said, I'm not fussed about there being any glitter because I have got somewhere sparkle, Mod Podge sparkle, and I'm going to do that. I'm going to just use the sparkle bit. Because I do want... oh, no, wait a minute. Sorry, I'm not going to do that first. I'll just soak my brush because I do want to colour it. So I'll wash that bit off. I'm going to use a very... oh, I need a sponge. Just let me get a sponge. Here we go. I've got some sponges. And I just want a hint, just a hint of this. Oh God, I can never get into these paints. I have to loosen the lids. And the way to do that is just to use a sharp tool. It's because it dries. You see, I've done it before. And then it should twist off. I do that with jars as well. So what I'm doing, just getting a tiny wee bit and popping it onto there. And then I'm just going to brush that on because I don't want... I mean, I can go back over it. That's not a problem at all. See, wipe it on and wipe it off. And it just gives you that hint of colour. See, like that. Use the other end to wipe that off, and you've got just a very slight hint of the brown. See, like that. Now, what I can do, I want to make sure I've got all of that. See, I like that. That to me is shabby chic. So now what I'm going to do is just paint over that with this Mod Podge, and it's just like a glittered Mod Podge. Now if it had done it with ink, it would have wiped the ink off. But this will not only protect it, it will put the glitter back on. And you just very quickly just coat it. Like that. Just going to quickly dry that off. And then what I'm going to do is I do have like a... well, I'm going to use the glitter, I think. I do have like a diamond eye that I want to do. I can't stick a diamond on because it's like concave, so it's pointless. So I'm just going to use the stickles to put in the diamante eye. And that's it. And that's all you need do. You'll see it better on the video probably than what you're seeing it at the moment. And that is just gorgeous. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye for now.